Welcome into Friday Crypto. My name is Chase. I am a level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at Chainlink, starting off on the monthly chart. We're going to look at the March close. We're going to look at what to expect in the near term and long term. For Chainlink, we look for price levels to break through and support levels to the downside. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want access to our private Telegram alerts group where we can stay on top of everything, Bitcoin moves, altcoin moves, everything in between, consider subscribing to our Patreon group, linked below. Let's get right to it. Monthly chart, starting off April, a little bit on the downside for Chainlink and crypto-wide, right? We're a little bit red to start off, but March closed pretty good, right? For March for Chainlink, we got our only closing daily candles outside of the Gaussian channel on the monthly, but we're not able to close a monthly candle out there. So $21, right? That's been the level. Right, if you watched any of my videos, it's 21. The Gaussian channel exits at 21. That's what we're looking for. However, indecision candle for the entire month of March for Chainlink after a pretty good rally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monthly candles closing above the Bollinger Bands, right? You can see that, but none above the Gaussian channel on the monthly scale, right? We're going to zoom in and look at some other scales here, but it's important to look at this first, right? So if we go down, you can see the EMA 8 down here, around 1550. Not only that, but you have like this zone all the way back to 2020 here, right? See this high candle, right? If we draw this zone here, right, from these lows, you can notice something here, right? You want to look for multi-year time frames on monthly charts. So we have our initial test high, range highs here, all-time highs. Then we come back down and we hold that as resistance, break through, right? Break up, break back down, support, the same level, support. Textbook, right? Bounce again, come back down, support again, break through it. Now we've broken through our major support. Long bear market, 500 days of shit, right? Now come back up, and again, you're going to hit that same level, multi-year, as resistance. Break through it, okay? Nice big move. What? Breakout. Come back, retest, the throwback. These are big level throwbacks, right? This is many months in between. So imagine a world where we come back and flip previous resistance back to support, 1550 area. That would be the spot for Chainlink. If we go down further, right? We're 18 now. It's not like catastrophic if we go down to 1550, right? Would be actually healthy in the long term. That would represent about another 14% move from current prices. So take with that information what you will. If we continue down, right, watch Bitcoin. I just put out a little chart on X for Bitcoin on the 4 hour. We can go take a look at it real quick. So the 4 hour chart for Bitcoin, right, this is going to determine what Chainlink does. We need to watch this because we're right there right now. So it's important to, if you're watching this today, April 1st, watch this, right? We have our previous, this is the short term, but this will tell you what could potentially be coming in the, the days and weeks ahead. So 68.5, the Gaussian channel, right, median line right there, support. At the same time, resistance, resistance, breakthrough, support, support. We're right here. We're at our swing lows. This must hold with a 4 hour close. We've already wicked lower. That's irrelevant. A closing candle must not close below that median Gaussian, or by definition, you're turning more bearish, but also that would confirm this as a short term, right? Because we're on the 4 hour, triple top, right? And that just means likely lower sides. 1, 2, 3, and triple. Remember, tops confirm after the lows are taken out. So this is not a triple top until we close under that candle. And then likely more downside. And then we have our Chainlink targets. On the monthly, we have those. But let's go to the weekly for Chainlink and see what we have in the short term. So short term, a little bit shorter term, right? Less than monthly because of weekly. Good you put those two together, right? We have here's our support zone here. Again, from a low 15s, right? We could wick there on a weekly, right? Imagine a weekly or monthly wick down to 1550 would look pretty textbook of a retest of the 21 week, right? Like we did a couple of weeks ago. We tested the lows of 1626. Maybe we come back down again. Maybe we wick a little bit lower, 1550 area. That's fine. This is our previous consolidation level. We could see a wick down here, sure, right? If we go higher, we're just looking to close above, again, 21 on the weekly, the daily. The sky's clear The launch pad is ready. We just don't know how long it's going to take us to hit the go button, right? But if we go down lower, support starting around 1680, all the way down to that 1550 area on the macro monthly scale, right? So that's Chainlink there. Now let's go down to the daily. Daily, still green on the Gaussian, in danger of potentially turning it red here if prices come down sharply. That will really start to move these average Gaussian channel prices down. Again, we haven't been red since October 1st, right? October 1st, fast forward months later, now we're at April 1st. You can see same kind of structure, right? Look at top, 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 right? Looking at that, looking like Bitcoin, right? Held the swing lows, really. Got a little bit of a deviation down here, wick to the bottom of the Gaussian, and now pick back up. And now, surprise, surprise, we could potentially be testing the bottom of the Gaussian again. At the same time, we're at our swing highs. So previous highs become next lows. That's still structurally okay. We're still okay. Bull-wise, we just don't want to close, a whole lot down here, right? Daily candles, we don't want to spend a whole lot of time in this 16 to 1550 area. April, right? We can do anything. We can go all the way down to 1550 and remain macro bullish. So keep that in mind. Don't lose sight, right? These kind of moves in a bull run are there to scare you and to shake out the weak players before continuing on to happier times. And happier times start again for Chainlink above 21. We know that, right? We're looking for weekly, monthly close above 21. And then it's sunshine and rainbows, unicorns, Vitalik shirts, right? You can have flannel everywhere, right? We'll wallpaper flannel behind us, all right? But until 21 with a weekly or monthly close, all we have is neon signs and Cybertrucks. That's not too bad. All right. That's Chainlink update. Hopefully you found that somewhat helpful, mildly entertaining, or vice versa. Let's do our quote and card of the day. Then we'll make some more Chainlink videos throughout the week, of course. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for which he has. Right? Appreciate what you have. If you're not happy with what you have, you're not going to be happy with more. You might think so, but time will tell. Card of the day. Ferrari Testarossa, one of the originals. The original, actually. 1986. The original. How can you tell? And this quick snapshot, the mirror. Look at the mirror on the side pillar. They changed that quite abruptly. Look at that's pretty sick though. The original Ferrari Testarossa, hard to find in the original year. Here's one found at a show. A little rough, but I mean, what do you expect after knocking on the door 40 years? There you go. Still timeless. Great looking car still. Kind of reminds you of like the what a future car should look like back in the 80s, right? What they pictured them. Ferrari just went ahead and made it. Great looking car. All right, that's Testarossa. Quote and card of the day. Chainlink. We're all there. Right? Don't panic. It's in a bull run. We're not in the bear market. If you're down, you're not out. Just don't fumble it around. Don't think that anything has to happen. Don't be too deterministic in what you're thinking. Be water. Be willing to change. Bruce Lee. Be water, my friend.